Previously on Mattie's Glam Life, I shared with you all a face mask that will help to dry up acne overnight. Make sure that you all check out the description box in order to watch this video because it is an amazing mask and you'll be on your way to beautiful skin in no time. Now, if you keep up with my channel, you know that I am always coming through with some gems. And today I have something amazing for you guys that we all need to have within our households and that we all need in our beauty care routine, period. You guys, this is an amazing oil and you are going to be shocked to find out which oil it is and the amazing benefits that it has. Make sure that you continue watching for more information. First, I'm going to start by sharing with you all some of the benefits of this oil before I reveal to you all which oil it is. So make sure that you continue watching this video because I will be revealing to you all exactly what oil it is at some point in this video. But first, you have to like this video and leave your girls some stars down below. Now, the oil that I'm talking about in today's video is very great for acne. For those of you guys that do not know, I have had my struggles with acne. I mean, my acne was absolutely treacherous just a few months ago, and lavender oil has helped to improve my skin so much over these past few months, you all. My skin was so bad that I got to the point where I was distraught. I was like, girl, what am I doing differently with my skin? Everything that I'm using has worked well for me up until this point. But when I discovered this oil, all of that went out of the window. I finally had something to cure acne, and not only that, but to get rid of all of that nasty bacteria that was on my skin from the acne. I am super duper happy that I discovered this to be a cure for acne because you all, it basically saved my skin. This oil works to kill bacteria and it can also prevent and heal acne breakouts. It is such a miracle in a bottle, and just wait until I share with you all the other things that this oil is beneficial for. You will be running to purchase this oil. Now, if you've watched me, you probably already know this fact that I'm about to share with you guys, but if you have not watched my channel frequently, then you are not aware of this. Your girl has definitely suffered from eczema during her life. I don't know if it's just due to genetics or just due to me, but nonetheless, your girl has had very bad eczema, and this oil helps to soothe eczema and also dry skin. So if you suffer from either one, girlfriend, this is your cure. And as you all know, eczema can show up pretty much anywhere on your body. With eczema, it causes your skin to become dry and itchy, and you guys, I have had my fair share of eczema to the point where I never want to experience it again. And honey, I never will for as long as I have this oil in my life. This particular oil can also be used to treat psoriasis. It is amazing for the skin in so many different types of ways. But wait a minute, girlfriend, there is more to learn. It also works great for skin lightening. If you are someone who suffers from any type of discoloration on your skin, whether it be from old acne scars or from any type of discoloration, period, you guys, this is your cure. Now, even though I am saying skin lightening, I would not recommend that anyone uses this on their body for skin lightening. I am completely against skin lightening. I want you all to know that however your skin tone is, however God created it, you are beautiful the way that you are. But for things like lightening up hyperpigmentation, this will be your go-to. It can help with blotchiness, dark spots, and slight discoloration. Now, I know that we all want to stay looking as young and as youthful as we can for as long as possible. Guess what this oil is also good for? Face wrinkles. Free radicals are partly responsible for fine lines and for wrinkles, but with this particular oil, you have a way to combat all of that. This oil is full of antioxidants that will protect you against all of these free radicals. Make sure that you mix this oil with some coconut oil for the best results. You do not want to apply this oil directly to your skin without diluting it first. And I want to share with you all what oil it is because I know that a lot of you guys are probably sitting on the edge of your seats right now thinking, girl, what oil is this woman talking about? I wish that she gets to the point she's talking too much, and so forth and so on. But for the people that are still rocking and still watching, here is the moment of truth. Y'all know that your girl had to be talking about lavender oil, honey. This is literally a miracle in a bottle. This is one of the best oils that I've tried, and it has improved my skin so much. Another thing that I can say that I've also used lavender oil for on my journey is for my nose rings and any type of piercings that I have. The reason being is because it helps them to heal up faster, and it also helps for them to fight off any type of infections. This oil is absolutely amazing, and it has definitely become my go-to, especially for things like acne. You all, this is something that you definitely need to look into, especially if you suffer with any type of skin issues. It is literally a miracle in a bottle. Now, as we all know, the smell of lavender oil can be quite strong, so make sure that you are not very sensitive to scents if you're going to be using this, because you might experience a little bit of irritation with the smell. But other than that, you all, it is absolutely amazing. And if you look on the back of the bottle, some of the recommended uses for lavender oil are that it reduces anxiety, stress, tension, insomnia. It treats acne, scars, chapped lips, and a lot of other different things. Now, please keep in mind that I am not a doctor. I just share with you guys things that I use and things that I love, and I am definitely more bound to come on here and share things with you all after research. So make sure that you are paying attention and doing your own research on things, and if need be, make sure that you are going to your doctor and asking questions to your healthcare provider if you are concerned about anything that I may be sharing here. Right now, Glam fam, I hope that you all learned something new on today. If you did, make sure that you hit that thumbs up button in order to push this video out into the algorithm. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching and supporting, and all that you do, make sure that you keep glamming. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.